Welcome. In front of me is an iPad, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this tablet. So to get started, we're just gonna swipe down right here where you have your things like Wi-Fi and battery and stuff like that. So yeah, man. Okay, I guess the pen is working as great as I expected it to. Just ditch that then. And here you'll have a bunch of toggles. Now by default you will not see the screen recording, so we just need to hold our finger somewhere on the empty space, and probably not like I just did. Try that again. There we go. And we'll go into this editing mode. From here we can click add a control and find the screen recording, which is for me right over here. Just click on it, it gets added, and then just click again on the empty space, so you don't need to hold it. And we have our toggle. Now click on it, it starts a 3-second countdown and then begins recording. You can see right here. So any kind of application that you'll open right now will be for the most part recorded. Just to kind of showcase this, I'm going to open up settings. Let's try Apple TV. That might not be, but we'll see. Anyway, once you're done, you can again swipe down and click on this toggle once more to stop the recording. Once you stop it, you can find the screen recording in your Photos application. Now it will be at the very start. So for me, I think it's right over here. Now for some reason, because people record here and change their settings, someone managed to find a way to screw up the orientation of the photos. So these were already captured a couple days ago and they're still showing up as the first one. Beats me how. Let's see what the date on this is. We're looking at October. Okay, makes sense, I guess. That's going to be showing up as first one for quite some time. But anyway, this is the newest photo in this case, and obviously a screenshot, or not screenshot, what am I saying, a screen recording. And you can see it right now already playing back. And it looks like Apple actually allows you to record things like the application for Apple TV, which is surprising considering Android would block that crap right away. So there we go. Now it's going back in here. If I can actually manage to, there we go, minimize this. So this is where you will find your screen recordings, which are in the photos section. But you can also see there's downloaded images, screenshots, photos, videos, and all that crap. So it might be simpler for you to navigate either to videos, which will just contain videos, and one of them being our screen recording. And there might also be an album called either screenshots or screen recordings, something like that. Oh, screen recordings, there we go. And here you'll find strictly screen recordings. Now, this will also show you the ones that are being kept on iCloud, which would include your iPhone screen recordings as well, hence why we have a bunch of those right here. But still, it's going to keep it much more organized compared to just your entire photo library. This is much more easy to find your screen recordings. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.